If you use Blender, don't continue without learning these techniques. This video covers the simplest yet most essential tips every user should know. Add color to your 3D models in Blender. First, select your model, then go to the shading panel. Click New to create a new material for the selected object. Now, under base color, choose any color you like. And that's it. Your model is now colorful and ready to render. How to unsubdivide your mesh in Blender. First, I switched to Edit mode and selected the Edge menu. Then I clicked on Unsubdivide, and just like that, the geometry becomes simpler while keeping the overall shape. Perfect for cleaning up dense meshes quickly. Quick, simple, and effective. Want to see the exact dimensions of your models inside Blender? With the Measure It add-on, you can display distances, angles, and lengths directly in the viewport. It's especially useful for product design, architectural modeling, or preparing models for 3D printing. First, I selected my model and entered Edit mode. Then I highlighted the area where I wanted to fix the topology. Finally, I pressed Alt+J to instantly turn the triangle faces into quads. First, select the models you want to combine, and simply press Ctrl+J to join them into one object. To separate them, go into Edit mode, select the part you want to split, and press P Choose Selection, and Blender will create a new object from the selected mesh.
Go to Edit mode, open the Options panel, and enable Correct Face Attributes. Now, whenever you move, scale, or rotate faces, your texture will stay perfectly aligned.
Depth of field. Your focus object stays sharp while the background blurs, adding a cinematic look to your scene. Align camera to view. Find the perfect angle in the viewport, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 to snap the camera to that view. Lock camera to view. Lock the camera to your viewport so you can easily adjust the perfect framing. Camera tracking. You can lock the camera to an object or parent it to an empty to orbit around. Focal length. Adjust the lens value to switch from wide angle to portrait shot. First, I added a plane and set snap target to face nearest. Then I enabled in front so I can see my mesh clearly. Switching to Edit mode, I activated Retopology and started building clean topology over the model. Retopology is essential for making your models animation ready and easy to work with. The Tri-Light add-on makes 3-point lighting fast and easy, giving your scene a professional studio look in just a few clicks. First, select your model and switch to Edit mode. Press A to select all vertices. Right-click and choose Merge Vertices by distance. This will remove all overlapping vertices and clean up your mesh instantly. Easy and effective. Follow for more quick Blender tips.